guys, my name is Taha Aslam. I am the student of first year.
Hi everyone, my name is Lai Chaudhary. I am a student of first year. We sit here to study because we bore in our rooms, and we sit here in the sofas for chattings, for grouping, for listening music slowly. Come with me, I will show you the rooms. These are a hall. Some rooms are left side, some rooms are right side. There is a separate girls and boys, and little bit far away after the hostel. There are two kitchens. One is big and one is small. Come with me. Rooms.
Hello friends, myself is Bharadwaj. I will tell you about the rooms of our hostel. Firstly, we are having combined rooms over here. Some rooms are combined and some rooms are single. You see, these rooms are combined. Let's see the view over here. It's so beautiful view from here. And we are having 3 beds for one room and another 3 beds for another rooms. And we are also having, let's see the washrooms. We are also having the washrooms over here. This is our clean washroom over here. Now let's go outside and
Now we go to the rooms. Like
we will show you the rooms, how it is like. Here, hey,
Hi,
bro.
Hi guys.
Hi. What are you doing?
Hi.
My friend is doing something in his laptop. He's working on his laptop, and you can see he's studying the first chapter of biochemistry.
What are you studying,
First
bro?
chapter. I'm just taking biochemistry. You can see
You have exam?
medicine.
Okay.
He has exam. You can see there are. This is very so clean rooms, and there are so many stuffs like this. Kuchu kuchu.
You can see a view from here
You
also.
can see
Like
a view from here also. See the very beautiful curtains here. Beautiful curtains. Who buy this?
It's a Wi-Fi.
yeah, this
Yeah,
is a
it's
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you can use free, of course.
Yeah, you can avail Wi-Fi here also. If you want Wi-Fi, then you can also avail Wi-Fi also here. So it's.
I'll show you the bathroom.
Washroom.
It's a very clean bathroom. This is for the 2 people's like. So it's more spacious. Like
Bathtub also here, so you will have a feeling of a hotel here, not hostel. Like
this is a cupboard. Like you can, you will put your clothes. This is a kitchen. This cup.
This is a very big area of the kitchen. You can see the beautiful view of the kitchen, like tables and chairs, how beautiful it is. You can eat over there. You can see this. They are making something. This is Indian curry for inductions over here, and you can see that oven. You can also cook here also. This oven. And now that you can move, this is the steam sucker. Now you can see here the oven here. You can also over here. You can put anything here. You can make coffee. You can boil anything. You can oats and everything. Now you can see they're washing their dishes like this. This running water and this. It is so big. This is very beautiful. You can sit here and very beautiful. I love this place. Very beautiful. They are enjoying in the kitchen. Hey, say hi, bro. Hey.
Camera. So there's moderating and the Wi-Fi also. Like you can see the Wi-Fi port over here. Look at this. The Wi-Fi. You can use the Wi-Fi. You can also see a view from here. Like it's a front view. Front view. And these are my friends. Bye. Aniket. It's Mondal.
Hi, bro.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am of first course and I study in Indiana State University. Right now I am studying in the balcony of our hostel. As you can see, this is the Lenin Square and there is Bank of River. It's a cool place, that everything you can see from it, like that it's Lenin Square, Bank of River, there our university, and Now we will tell you about our hostel. Let's go. So we are in the hostel, and which is very well maintained. And now we are standing in our hall where we can gather around, have a meeting, and play games, or we can like talk to someone else, to our friends. Like you can see, these are all here to gather around or to have a meet. So which is under a camera zone, and it's a non-smoking zone. You can't smoke here at all because it's a big fine if you smoke here. And let's go inside and see our hostel. Let's go. And these are our rooms separately of girls and boys, which are living separately. There are a different staff which is maintaining the different things, like the cleaning staff is different, and the food staff is different, and the office staff is different. This is very well maintained, and as you can see here in front, it's the cleaning staff. This is Sadia, the lady which is managing our clothes, our room department, and here's the timing for washing the clothes. Like on Monday or Tuesday, it's separately divided on the basis of rooms. Like some rooms will be managed on that day, and some rooms will be managed on that day. And here's Lady Sadia, who's managing everything. So say hi. And now this zone is also under the camera security, and as you can see, here are all cameras. And this is also non-smoking area. In hostel you can't smoke at all inside. And like there are some girls of, and this is the main thing I want to tell you about the office. If you have anything problem, you can come here, talk in the office about anything like that. You have a problem in your room, a problem about your university. You're standing in the hall. Here is the main entry. Like you can see the lift, and this is like a hall also. You can come and sit and talk. Like you can see, there are some girls which are living separate in other rooms, and boys in other room. Say hi. Hi. As I told you already that our hostel location is in the center, and if you want to join the gym or something else, it's near about here, walking distance like 5 to 10 minutes. Here about 5 to 6 gyms, and like other things, the stuffs you like to do, that cricket, skating, and any other thing near about is Lenin Square. You can go play cricket there or do skatings. Now I am holding the speech to the girls here that will tell you about that, how they live here and what's the condition of it.
So hi, my name is Seitson. I'm studying in the first course. So as Shivam said, boys and girls live differently. And I want to show you one of the girls' houses. This is how we girls live here. This is Satya's room. She's also sitting over here. Satya, hi. And we have a pretty nice view over here. There's the Lenin Square over there. You can, during summers, you can just go for a walk around there. You can, boys go and play cricket over there. And then these are the offices, and this is the room. Like 2 double bed and then 1 single bed. And then there's the bathroom. It's a nice but cute bathroom, suitable for 2 girls. And then and this is, well, among the other things, I mean, like Russia is very strict about laws and everything, and one of them is the fire safety. Like especially for the students, there is this fire extinguisher, and if anything goes wrong, there is a smoke detector over there, and it has a computerized. And if anything goes wrong, we have a speaker over here. It can record in 2 languages, in Russian and in English. So it's pretty quite
it is really very strict regarding our safety. We are having fire brigade, even smoke detector. We are also having few recordings in which something happens in our building, so we can aware all the students. So let me show you. We are having two kitchens in our hostel. This one is the bigger one and that one is a smaller one. So first I'll show you the bigger. So here we are having the bigger kitchen one. In this kitchen we are having too many stoves so that there will be no rush. Everyone can cook separately. Now we will go towards the smaller one. Here comes the smaller one. So this is our smaller kitchen. So this is a smaller one. Here also we are having too many stoves, so there will be no rush. Here students are cooking food for themselves. Yes, this one was a small kitchen. This one is a vegetarian one and that one is a non-vegetarian. So that if someone is vegetarian, he or she will not face any problem.
Hi, I'm Yatin and we are standing outside our hostel. It's an area of near Lenin Square. It's there, you can see. It's a ground that we usually use for playing cricket and football, for going for a walk. It's near our hostel and it's a very good place. It's an even ground. Maximum of the events held in the city are maximum held over this place.
Hi, so let me give you some directions. This is our hostel and here from this side we can go towards the university, and from the right side we also get the tram station, so we don't have to walk a lot. From there we are having so many vehicles, tram also, bus also, and we can also book taxi from here. Now the Shubham Bhaiya will explain you the another item.
Hi guys, my name is Shubham. Now as you know, Sakshi told you about the tram station and bus station that you don't need to walk a lot, and you know there is a way. You know this is our hostel and you don't need to go very much far to buy any products or anything. There is a shop which is named Gulliver in which you can buy products like milk or something or like that. This is our hostel, you can see, and now Mayur Bhai will say something about.
Hey, hi guys. Both guys told you about the university way and the product way, but I'll tell you where you can enjoy your hobbies. Like this is the Ploshid Lenina. It's called Lenin Square here. This is the government building, so we can say like this is the most secure place in our city. You can play cricket, football, whatever you want to play. Someone who interested in the playing skating or something else, they can play and they can do anything here. And if you go some little far from here, you can be in the part of a park. You can walk. You can go down towards the near Volga River. So you have a comeback package to enjoy everything here.